Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you saw from the title, we're going to be doing just a normal makeup tutorial. I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty palette, the rose gold palette. Mom got me this for my birthday, which was like literally, what month is it? June? 2 months ago? Wow, math. And I've only used like 3 shades in the whole entire palette, but this is me. This is me in a palette. In today's video, I'm just going to be doing the eyes, and then I am also filming another video today because I got a package from Sephora. It's actually out for delivery right now, with like a bunch of new products that I'm going to be trying. So if you guys want to see that, that will probably be up next or before this. I honestly don't know what order I'm putting these videos. I am going out of town again to San Diego in like 2 weeks, so one will probably be up then. I don't know. I can't keep promises because, as you guys could tell, I hardly ever post videos because your girl is just like, she inconsistent, okay? She very inconsistent, but we gonna try. I say that all the time, but for real, we gonna try. What I was saying was I got like a new room type thing, kind of, not really. I'm in my garage now, but I don't have to like tear down and set up. Ooh, did I shave? Not really. Oops. But yeah, so let's just get right into the video and let's just do a look. I have no idea what I'm doing with this. I don't know if I want to go for like super glam or if I just want to use like a few different shades and do like a light glam. I'm not 100% sure. I know tutorials don't get views anymore or whatever. It's all like other things that get views now, but I love doing my makeup. I can sit down for legitimately hours and hours and hours on end and just like get lost in the process of doing makeup. I absolutely love it. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. We're gonna be doing our makeup together, but kind of not really, but like in like 3 different videos. So we're gonna have no face product on for this portion of the video, so sorry you have to look at this for a while, but let's just get ready on the eyes. You know, we just gonna do it. We just gonna do the damn thing, okay? So to start, I'm gonna be using the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. Also, another really quick disclaimer I want to make: this room gets very humid back here, so I have a dehumidifier in the corner. I'm very, very sorry if you guys can hear it. I don't really want you guys to be able to hear it, but like, I'm not trying to die back here, so I'm sorry. I will try and cut it out, but it might not happen. So I think we're just gonna get started. So I think for a transition shade, I'm gonna be going in with this shade right here, which is the shade Sandalwood. It's down in this corner, and I think I'm gonna focus that a little bit more in, and then I'll probably go right in with Demore. I don't really know if that's what it's called, the shade right here, Demore. But I think I'm going to go in with Sandalwood first. I'm taking that on a Morphe 441 brush. And let me figure out what I want to do with this shade. Yeah, I want something very, very light. So this palette does have quite a lot of kickback, actually. Also, guys, I really love doing my eyeshadow first because I'm able to blend all the way out here just to make sure that I am actually getting all the spots I want to touch, and then just clean it up after, before like I prime and stuff, and my makeup will go right on top, and then I'll have like a sharp cat eye line. If I'm not going for that cat eye look, I will usually do my foundation before I do my eyes, but I'm going for that look today, so kind of. I don't know. We'll see. I'm going to go in with the shade Demore, that pinky kind of shade, with an A Lamar brush. I don't know. Very, very, very lightly, and just like blend in between the crease and that shade that I put down. Like, I'm barely touching the skin, guys. The next shade I'm going to go in with is, I'm going to go in with a little bit of Cocoa, just very, very lightly on a Morphe 514 brush. And I'm going to take, do I want this big of a brush? No, I don't want that big of a brush. No idea what this is, but I'm pretty sure it's a 22 SE brush. I don't know if they have it anymore, but I'm going to take it on that because it's like pretty flat. I don't know if you guys can see like to my forehead. It's like actually a pretty flat brush, but it does have like a little bit of oomph to blend out with. So I'm going to take a little bit of Cocoa. Yeah, this palette definitely does have some kickback. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but it definitely does have some kickback, but that's not a big deal to me. So I'm going to tap off most of the product because I don't really want like a very intense crease, because I am going to be going in with the shade Man Eater as well. So I'm just kind of patting that, tapping that where I want it to go, And then I will lightly turn the brush on its side and blend it out just a little bit. I need to get like up close and personal. I don't know if you guys can see, but for me, okay, let me just say something really quick. My eyelids are very skinny. Like, I don't, like, not skinny, but like skinny. You see all that skin? That's skinny, okay? So eyeshadows sometimes look a little like steppy, if that makes any sense. Probably not, but sometimes eyeshadows look a little steppy on my eyelids, which they probably won't look like that on yours if your eyelids aren't super skinny, but my eyelids are very, very skinny. And I'm not talking skinny like thin. I'm talking skinny like skin, like actual skin. So that's just something, if you see that skipping on my eyelids, just know it probably won't happen on your eyelids if you don't have like very skinny eyelids. And I'm going to take the brush that I was using before. Where'd it go? Over here. No, not that one. I'm going to take the Morphe 441 brush that I was using with that first shade and lightly windshield wiper it back and forth. The next shade that I'm going to go in with is going to be the shade Man Eater, and I'm going to try and blend out that brown shade because it's not doing so hot right now, with the Morphe 514 brush. Okay, I actually like that. I like the way that looks. Okay, I think I'm going to go in with a 507 brush, N507, and I'm going to go in with the shade Black Truffle. I'm going to be very, very careful with this shade because I don't know if it has a lot of pigment, but I also haven't worn eyeshadow in a long time, so I'm nervous. I'm just going to pat that. Oh yeah, it has pigment. Definitely has pigment. And I'm just very slightly working that up. Like I said, I think I put a little too much, but we can't go back now, so. Okay, see guys how my eyes are very hooded, all right? So I put the black shadow. It looks like a lot, but when I open my eyes, it looks like I have like a line. So I'm gonna very, very lightly work it up to the part where it shows on my lid when it's open. I'm not really feeling any of the shades in this palette for this look. However, I'm still gonna use it because, you know, I want to. Oh my goodness. Ew. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a little bit of Moon Dust, Pink Diamond, and Fling. I know it's kind of a lot, but I think I'm gonna do like a mixture of those, like Moon Dust in the corner, and then, what is this? No. Moon Dust in the corner, Pink Diamond kind of like in the middle, and then Fling to kind of blend out that dark shade. I don't know. We're just gonna go for it. We're just gonna see, okay? Now I'm going to take a little bit of Moon Dust. I believe I'm just gonna do a little bit just to brighten up the inner corner, but I don't really want like a gold. I want kind of like a silver. We're just gonna do it. And just in the corner, literally like right there. See that? Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Don't even know if you could tell. But I can. Just to kind of brighten that up, and then maybe I'll go in with whatever was left on that other brush with the Pink Diamond shade and go over a little bit. So as of right now, this is what we're working with. This is what it's gonna be on my eyes when I go film the other video. My package still has not arrived, so I do have to wait for that. So hopefully it's not too long so that this doesn't sit on my eyes for too long so that I can show you guys what it looks like after I put on the foundation and stuff like that. But I am going to go film another video, a full face of first impressions. Like I said, I don't know what video is gonna be up first, but if you guys wanna see that, definitely click above or the description down below, or if it's gonna be up next, definitely wait for that. As of right now, this is what we're working with. I'm actually really loving the way it turned out. I was a little skeptical because it wasn't really blending nicely, but like I haven't done eyeshadow in a really long time, so I was like, maybe it's me. It's probably me. It's no 100% definitely me. But yeah, so I'm gonna go film that video and then I will be back to show you guys what the whole eye looks like with foundation on and stuff like that. I will also finish the bottom lash line and we will be right back to finish the rest of the look. It will probably be like 3 hours for me because I don't know when this package is gonna come, but it's gonna be like 2 seconds for you guys. So see you in a second. Okay guys, so now let's finish the look off with some lips. So I have two colors. I have this one I've never tried before. It's the Grande Lips Hydro Plump Liquid Lipstick. I want like a very, very nude. Like, I normally don't go for very, very nude, but I want a very, very nude lipstick. Maybe I'll do this with a little bit of this in the center. Ooh, that might look pretty. Okay, we're gonna do that. I need a lip brush. Hello. So this is the Jeffree Star Celebrity Skin Lip Bullet Lip Ammo, whatever the heck it's called. That's Celebrity Skin. And now I'm gonna go in with this one, and hopefully it looks okay in the center. Oh yeah. This smells like absolute crap. I really don't want to be putting this on my lips. Like, it's making me like legitimately like lose my breath. I don't know if I love this. I actually don't think I like this at all. It smells like absolute butt. Okay guys, so I took out my hair and it's looking a little dead because it's been like this all day long. But this is the end of the video, guys, obviously. I really actually love the way this eye look turned out. I was like a little not feeling it while we were going along, but like I always say, you never know if you're gonna love a look until right, like literally the second it's done, because it just doesn't look good until it's done. And I am obsessed. I actually really love this palette. I will be using it more like intense now that I've like fully tried it out. Like I said before, I've only used a few shades, and I was just like, you know, I'll try it out one day. I haven't really been wearing a lot of makeup recently. It's the summer. I usually don't wear a lot of eyeshadows in the summer. It's just like not my cup of tea, you know? And now that I like dove into the palette, I'm like obsessed with it. So I think I might start using it a lot more. But anyways, guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know I haven't been around recently. Hopefully you guys will see my travel vlog. And like I said, if you guys want to see my first impression on this makeup, definitely click the link in the description box below. If it's there, if it's not up yet. But yeah, guys, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video and if you guys like me, then don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the post notification bell so that you guys never miss a video. And rude. Like I was saying, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I really hope that I will see you guys in my next video, whenever that may be.